Hello friends, my name is Chiranjit Roy. I am the instructor for this course on glass processing. As you all aware, the building industry, Indian economy is in a boom now, and the Indian economy has been seen an unprecedented growth for almost a decade. And because of this boom, the private and government infrastructure is pursuing an exponential growth, and more constructions are happening. And I'm expecting it will continue to grow further. And because of this growth, glass is extensively used in all buildings and other applications. And because of this growth in glass demand, the processing industries also become progressive, as there are new applications where our processing industry is supplying glasses for various applications, and they are also doing new investments, and they are adopting new technologies and modern technologies, and they are now not only limited to all metro cities. Now the processing industry as a whole is growing, but there are challenges. There are like newer materials and applications, there are complexity in processes, there are stringent quality norms because the clients are also become educated. There are a lot of architects, consultants, clients are coming from abroad. They are also demanding higher quality norms, and moreover, there is shortage of skilled personnel because of suddenly unprecedented growth in the industry. Hence, we need to build knowledge and contemporary skills among the people in the industry. So, hence, this course on glass processing is designed. So, the course contents will be the glass manufacturing process, where we will be imparting knowledge on float manufacturing, then coating technology. Second, we will also be covering glass as a building material. How do you select glass? What are the applications of glasses? Moreover, in this course, we will also cover the in-depth understanding on glass processing, like industrial and glass handling safety. Will be covering in depth warehouse management. How do you manage your warehouse? We'll be covering in depth. Production planning and control. See, this is very important. How do your production team and sales team can coordinate together to make a successful supplies to the client on time? We'll be covering in depth of pre-processing, like cutting, grinding, drilling, washing. What are the precautions to be taken in the tempering process? What are the challenges you face in tempering problem? We'll be covering in that. In IGUs, what are the tests important? In lamination process, what precautions need to be taken for lamination? Heat soaking will be covering. We'll be covering different ceramic printing processes like roller, screen, digital, all kinds of ceramic printing processes. We'll be also covering the processing standards for tempering, lamination, IGU. We'll also be covering the quality tests to be done for the various processes. How do you do non-conformity? How do you separate non-conformity material? We'll be doing a root cause analysis for troubles for the process. What are the different testing and certification we'll cover in this course. We'll also cover the post-manufacturing expenses. It is very important for us to understand the post-manufacturing expenses. See, production expenses we can control, but there are some expenses which is happening after the production. So, we will be discussing on that point also in this course. Then we will be discussing on 5S, quality management systems. Then we will have some course on cost saving programs. And finally, we will be few brief about glazing systems, hardware, fabrications. We will be also covering sustainability and people development program. I wish you all the best for this course on glass processing. Thank you.